Yo, it's me, King Human. Listen up. Okay, you want to know how to make $197 on autopilot with zero investment, zero risk? I'm going to tell you right now. Listen up.
It's King Human.
I want to make you guys money, so I look at products and I look at thousands, millions of products every week. And I've been getting emails from people saying, hey, King Human, how come you're not turning us on to these products that can make us money, these softwares, these systems, these methods that can make us money online? You know, well, it's not for lack of trying. I look at a million of these things, but it's hard to find something that meets my criteria of what could make money for you. Not what could make money for me, what could make money for you. So that's why you don't see me promoting every damn thing that comes down the pike. It has to meet my criteria. So I found something that I think could really make some dough for you guys. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know you from a box of rocks. Maybe you're a total idiot that doesn't know how to turn on a computer. But this is pretty stupid simple. And it's done for you. And it's automated. So listen up, because I'm going to get into it with you. Okay. Make $197 over and over again on autopilot. Yeah? Okay, well, actually, you're going to profit $170. So I got to correct that right now. You're not going to make $197. You're going to make $197 sale. But you're going to profit $170 because this is an arbitrage situation. You don't have to do any work other than sending clients to this website, and everything is done for you from that point on. Now, how hard is it to find clients and send? I'm going to give you a hack for that that's going to be killer, and it's going to get you a lot of sales. Okay, I'm sounding too excited here. Okay, here's what the service is. Let me tell you exactly what's going on and why I like this business. First of all, let me get into why I like this for you guys. It takes all my boxes. First of all, no experience needed, right? You can start today. It's automated, done for you, and there's no investment after your initial investment of 20, whatever it is, 25 bucks to get your license to be able to operate. That's it. That is killer cool. And you can do it from anywhere in the world with a laptop, yeah, all that stuff. So it ticks all my boxes, enough to the point where I'm actually buying this license for a friend of mine that needs money because I think it can help him. You know, if I break out my own wallet for a friend of mine and buy this thing, you know it has potential. Now, will it work for you? I don't know. I don't know you from a box of rocks. I don't know. Maybe you're a total idiot that doesn't even know how to turn on a computer. I don't make guarantees. I find the opportunities and I turn them on to you. Okay, let's get back into this. So what is the actual service that you're going to be providing? You're going to be giving people something that 40%, first of all, you're going to be offering to businesses, not individuals, businesses. And 40% of all businesses really need this. What is it? It's their properly set up Google listing. So this is really something all these businesses, they're going to want, they're going to need. The sales are done for it. Trust me, this is killer cool. Now, if you don't want to hear me talking about this much more, you can just go to googlisting.com and check it out. Goog, not Google, but googlisting.com. Because that's what this is. This is setting up people's Google listings and getting them set up right. What you're going to do is basically send traffic to this website that you're going to be kind of an affiliate or a licensee for. So for everybody you send that buys the product, you're going to get paid $197, and you pay them, the website owner, $27. So you're actually going to come out of it $170 a head, and you're just arbitraging this system. Now, how difficult is it to find traffic or find clients that really want this? dead simple if you use my method. My method is, and it's so golden, hire sales reps on Craigslist or rephunter.net to do all the sales for you. You can afford to pay a sales rep $70 per sale. That's a good money for a sales rep. $70. Basically, you're setting up your own affiliate program. You can pay them $70 a piece and you pocket $100 per piece per sale. If you have an army of sales reps doing this, bank, big bank, then you're going to be able to afford a $2 million condo like this on the Strip in Vegas or whatever. I mean, I don't know. I can't promise anything. Again, I don't make promises. I'm just speculating here. I like this. Now, the other thing that makes this really cool is you can also buy the white label rights to that entire business. In other words, you can buy the business, the website, the whole thing, slap your logo on it, slap your name on it. What's that going to cost you? Another 25 bucks. No brainer. Go take a look at it. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Again, GoogListingService.com, and boom goes the dynamite. Let me know how you do with this. And before you go any further, donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. What could be better? All right, guys, maximum respect. I appreciate everybody that watches my videos. I want to thank you guys for sharing my videos, hitting the little bell down there, whatever, I don't know, whatever these people want me to say. I'm tired. Go away. Sayonara.